In this video, we'll be looking at how to express the future using time clauses. Let's begin. As soon as she gets here, we will start. As soon as she gets here is a future time clause. This means that in the future, she will get here, and right after that, we will start. I can also say this sentence with the time clause at the end. We will start as soon as she gets here. Notice that when the time clause comes first in the sentence, use a comma after it. So don't forget that comma when the future time clause is first. There's no comma when the future time clause is second. Here is a list of time words that can be used in a time clause like this. Before, after, when, as soon as, until, while. So we have one of those time words, then we have a subject and a verb, and that makes a time clause. So in our example, we have the time word as soon as, and then the subject, she, and then the verb, gets. In a sentence with a time clause, there are always two clauses, the time clause and the main clause. The main clause uses will or be going to, and the time clause usually uses the simple present tense. For example, after she graduates, she'll get a job. So here, graduates is in the simple present tense. Don't forget the comma when the time clause is first. What about this sentence? Is this correct? When I will get home, I'm going to wash the dishes. No, it should be when I get home, I'm going to wash the dishes. So we do not use will or be going to in the time clause. Use the simple present tense in the time clause. But in the main clause, we'll have be going to or will. Now, the time clause usually uses the simple present tense, but other tenses may also be used. We may use the present progressive to express an activity that will be in progress in the future, or we may use the present perfect to emphasize the completion of one activity before another one in the future. These may be used in the time clause. For example, I'll be able to save enough money for a vacation when I'm working there. We can use the present progressive here because the activity, working, will be an action in progress or a continuing action in the future. After I have finished all my exams, I'll relax at home for a few days. We can use the present perfect here to emphasize that I will finish my exams first, and that action will be complete, and then I'll relax at home. Now, I could also use the simple present tense here with the same basic meaning, but the present perfect just emphasizes the completion of that action. So I could say, after I finish all my exams, I'll relax at home for a few days, and it will have the same basic meaning.